Good for Business is powered by Washington Federal Bank. Just call us WaFd Bank.
Good Tuesday morning, everybody. Brad Goode here with your Good for Business report. Well, Alaska Airlines employees will learn by July 30th if they still have jobs in 2021. Last week, company leadership told employees Alaska may have to operate with 3,000 fewer workers next year because of plummeting passenger demand in the wake of the pandemic. At Alaska's lowest point this year, back in March, the airline carried fewer than 5,000 passengers a day. So far, Alaska has not specified which work groups these cuts would come from. The cuts would represent roughly 13% of the airline's workforce. While other retailers are wondering if they'll come out of the pandemic still in business, Macy's has managed to secure roughly $4.5 billion of financing to help repay its debt. This includes $1.3 billion it had previously raised through a debt offering for 5-year senior secured notes. Analysts say this means Macy's is now no longer at risk of bankruptcy. The retailer closed its stores when lockdown started because of the coronavirus. Some stores have begun reopening in the past couple of weeks. So we might be officially in a recession since late February, and the World Bank is reporting that the global economy will shrink more than 5% this year, but you wouldn't know it by following Wall Street. They didn't get the slowdown memo as stocks continue to soar. The S&P 500 is now up 43% since the March low and positive on the year. Interest rates are predicted to remain low for some time, which is good for the economy, and the markets are forward-looking, so many analysts believe this will be the shortest recession on record, with so much activity already picking up. But the airlines, cruise lines, and some retailers not yet pulling out of the tailspin, and the future looks a bit muddy. Those companies are causing investors to tap on the brakes, at least for those industries this morning. So we do see a pause on the recent stock rally. Look at that, the Dow sliding back 350 points in early trade. The key to fully reopening business may hinge on keeping that second wave of the virus at bay in the coming months. That's Good for Business, powered by WaFd Bank.